Alright, here it is, video number 1. We're going to be working with this inexpensive eBay purchased China laser. We're going to try to get some quality results, and I'm going to show you guys a few tricks and tips on how to get the best results possible from these inexpensive machines, which, you know, I gotta say, I do like it. It may not be the most glamorous thing. There are a lot of lasers out there that do a better job, and they're a lot more expensive, and I'd love to get one of those someday. But for now, 300 bucks for the China eBay laser. Alright, so before we get started on the cutting, a quick word on the wood stock. We're going to be using 1/8 inch thick Baltic birch plywood. I get this in big sheets and I cut it down to these 12 by 8 little sections, so it's easy to work with. You know, make a big stack of it and you got plenty to go. You can pick that up at your local specialty wood shops, pick it up online, eBay. You can find it in all sorts of places. Here's the laser itself. I've made a few modifications to mine. For one, I put in an air assist, so it's blowing a little bit of air through this tube, blowing right down into the stock. Helps keep it from lighting on fire, sorta. I've added these rails so that I can put in a piece of wood and I know it's going to be exactly where I want it to be. And you know, these China lasers come with this goofy clamp system. Apparently they want you to clamp the stock in there, but this clamp is horrible. I hate it. So I just cover mine up with wood so that stuff doesn't fall down there. Well, crap, what am I gonna do now? I know, I'll cut another one out. I'll show you how I do that. Let's get cutting. Alright, and here we come to the reason why I even cut this piece of wood out in the first place. Without this, stuff just falls down the hole. So let's just get that out of there. I'm just going to leave that on. There. Boom, done. Ready to go. That'll keep stuff from falling down the hole. It also raises it up just a little bit. Is that good? Is that bad? I don't know, but it seems to be working, so let's just roll with it. Alright, next tip, build yourself some side rails so you can put your wood in, slap it in, done. You don't have to measure it, you just put it in. And don't do what I did, make sure they're straight. This is not straight. So what I do is I just press it in one direction, up against the wall, that's it, don't mess with it. Tip number 3, tape down your work. These lasers get moving. The arms get moving, everything's jiggling in there. If you're engraving, it could take a half an hour, who knows how long it takes. So tape down your work. That way it stays where it's supposed to and it doesn't totally foul up on the first go. I kind of slam them around too. Sometimes that knocks off some of that extra loose stuff. So there you go. 2 nice stars. Ready to work any project you want.